Hi guys, today we're working with materials. A material is a way to alter actors' visual aspect. So far we've been using what UE provided for us, so things like default cubes, cylinders, spheres, and so on. And they're usually of color white. So what we're going to do is use the material of the cube that we use to create these platforms, and we're going to change that material. So if we open the platform blueprint, you'll find this cube that we added. We can select that, go to the viewport, and here you can find the materials section. And if you click on basic shape material, you will find a lot of interesting things. You might be able to see some of them, or if you followed all the tutorials, then you should have something very similar. And how about we find this basic shape material? We're going to copy it, and we're going to go to somewhere. Content, first person. Yeah, that'll do. How about we create a new folder and call materials. And then what I've copied, I can just place here, basic shape material. I'm going to rename it to my material, or let's call it red mat, which stands for material. If you double click that, you're able to edit it. And for starters, how about we get rid of this, or just disconnect, have it here so that we can reuse it later. And we change the color to something else. So currently it's 111. If we change it to, say, reduce that, and what we end up with should be something like red-ish. Yeah, I'm happy with that color. Drag it over here, apply, save, and the material that we copied. Copying is kind of important because you don't want to modify any of the pre-existing materials. I've done this a couple of times accidentally, and it just makes it difficult to then edit it afterwards. So once you've clicked on the platform, which we have open here, let's find our red mat, which is that thing. So it's kind of looking red-ish. It's not pure red. Save, compile, and then look inside the game. And you have two platforms that we created a long time ago, but now we applied this red material to it. We applied to the blueprint, which means it's like applying to a class. All the instances are going to inherit that. Now, how about we change something different? Let's take this cube, for example. Select that, and then you can press F, by the way, to focus on it if you want to. It's called Editor Cube 19. It's a static mesh actor, which means we should be able to access its materials and also modify. It's called Cube Material Override. Again, click on that. You should be able to find your red mat. There we go. And we can change it to this color. You can also find some different materials and then just use that. What's that one? M metal. Okay. It's very shiny. Also reflecting some light, I think. Cupboard metal. Let's go with that. Whatever that is. looking metallic almost. So you can see that you can easily pick an actor, find its static mesh, and then apply materials to it using this menu. Okay, that's enough for this one. In the next video, we're going to add textures, and we'll see if we can modify various properties that a material can have. Thanks for watching.